Getting to the top of Google My Business, now known as the Google Business Profile, can be complicated and it can be frustrating. What works, what doesn't work, what used to work, and what works now? This is all the questions that you probably have if you own a local business and you're trying to get to the top of the search engines. My name is Joe Burnich. I've been working with service businesses and contractors to get to the top of Google since 2009. I've provided a lot of YouTube videos, educational videos, on how you can do the same for your business. But what I wanted to do was create something simple for you, something free that you can use, that is organized, that allows you to go step by step and do everything yourself. So I created a one-page cheat sheet. This one-page cheat sheet here is organized in a step-by-step manner, so you can go through and watch videos on each one of these topics in order to get your business ranked #1 on Google My Business. This is all based on information I've gathered since 2009 from 3 different sources. #1, going to conferences year after year and learning all the up-to-date, most cutting-edge techniques and strategies. #2, networking with people that are in the industry that are seeing results, and we share information in order to make sure that we all can get the best possible results for our clients. And then #3, I get this from hands-on, in the dirt work, day after day, working with Google My Business, the Google Business Profile, local SEO, and how all this stuff works, how all this fits together. Since 2009, we have worked with over 1,200 clients, so we know what works and what does not, and we're always up to date. This information I'm providing in this cheat sheet is always up to date as well. That's why I put these little links here. Now, if I update the information based on this specific topic, then I will change out the link and the new video will appear when you click here. So let's dig a little bit deeper and see what you're gonna get when you download this cheat sheet for free. So first, we're gonna talk about websites, how to turn your website into a lead machine. There's so many things you can do to your website that will sync up with Google My Business, sync up with your Google Business Profile, and help you rank higher, and in turn, get more conversions, get more people coming to the website, and when they come to the website, they actually call you or they actually come into your place of business. We're also gonna talk about choosing the best categories. A lot of people don't realize how important categories are when it comes to actually ranking your business on the search engines. So we're gonna get deep into that. Then we're gonna talk about Google reviews. Yes, Google reviews are a ranking factor in 2 different ways, and I wanna explain both of those ways in this video when you get the cheat sheet and click here. Next, I want to talk about keywords. People don't really understand keywords or search terms and how that can help you rank on Google, or rank more often on Google and rank higher on Google. There's so many little details that you need to know and little pitfalls that I want you to avoid when you watch my video on keywords. Next, we're going to talk about a general optimization of the Google My Business Profile. This is all the stuff you need to do step by step with examples so you can make sure your Google My Business Profile is fully optimized and ready to rank. We're also going to talk about the address. What does your physical address have to do with ranking? Probably a lot more than you think it does. So download the cheat sheet, watch this video, and understand how your address can affect rankings. We're also going to talk about citations and backlinks. Some people think they understand citations and backlinks, but they don't fully. And things have changed massively in the past couple years. So make sure you download the cheat sheet, get the most cutting information on citations and backlinks. And finally, I want to talk about how photos affect your Google My Business rankings and how it also can protect you from ever getting suspended. There are 3 things that you must include in each and every photo that you upload to Google if you want to beat out the competition. So when you watch this video, you're going to find out everything. So like I said, go down to the description below, download this cheat sheet, watch the videos, get your business ranked. My name is Joe Burnich with BigWestAcademy.com, and I will see you in the next video.